Hi everyone! I have another simple and easy to make earring that I want to show you how I made this. It's cute. And our materials, I have 4 sizes of rondelle beads. The smallest, 3 by 4 millimeter, 4 by 6 millimeter, and I have 5 by 6 millimeter, and 6 by 8 millimeter. I also have 2 sizes of seed beads. I have 8/0 and 11/0 earring hooks. My beading needle number 11. And this is the thread I'm going to use. So let's begin. I pick up 4 8/0 seed beads. Now we'll just leave a short tail. Then pick up 1 11/0. Then pick up another 11/0. Pick up 1. Then pick up 1. Then I'll pick up 5. 5 11/0. So my thread coming out from 11/0. Then I'll pick up 2 11/0, 1 8/0, 9 11/0, then 1 8/0, 5 by 6 millimeter rondelle, and then 6 by 8, 5 by 6, then 1 8/0, 9 9 11/0, 1 8/0, and 2 11/0. Then pass through 11/0 and exit to 8/0. So my thread coming out from 8/0, so I pick up 3 11/0, 1 8/0, and then 3 by 4 rondelle, then 4 by 6 rondelle, 3 by 4 rondelle, 1 8/0 seed bead, and 3 11/0 seed bead. Then pass through 8. So I'm going to just pass through some of the beads here and then make some couple of knots, and then I'll cut the thread. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone, and happy beading.